Paper was a bit difficult for you, or it was okay?
So it was a little tough.
Okay, difficult it was.
Yeah, like I took a lot of time to finish it.
That's okay because the paper was lengthy.
Hmm.
You could attempt at least 35, correct?
Yes, sir. I left five, I
That's
think.
okay. So with this set of papers, if you left 5 minutes, you did best. So I will send the solution within day or two so that you can cross check your answer also. Now, for polyatomic gas, we are interested in what is gamma from degree of freedom. It has got 3 degree of freedom due to translation, 3 degree of freedom due to rotation, and F degree of freedom due to vibration. So energy of a molecule will be 3 times half kBp plus 3 times half kBp plus F times kBp. So 3 by 2, 3 by 3, 6 by 2, that will become 3 times kBp plus F times kBp. That will become 3 plus F into kBp. So for 1 mole, energy is 3 plus F R by Na into T into Na. So du by dt is 3 plus F into R. So Cv will become 3 plus R. F. Cp plus Fr. It is Cv plus R. So 3 plus Fr plus 1R. That will become 4 plus F into R. Therefore, gamma is Cp upon Cv, which will be 4 plus Fr upon 3 plus Fr. 4 plus F upon 3 plus F.
Done, sir.
Yes, you have written. Just now join, just write down. Yes,
Yes, sir. Writing.
just write down this for polyatomic gas gamma.
Done, sir.
If F is degree of freedom due to translational or rotational motion, then gamma equals to 1 plus 2 upon F. Not for vibration, only for translation and rotation. For solids, specific heat is 3R. For water, is equals to 9. R means universal gas mass. So like here, friends, everyone?
Done, sir.
Maxwell equations. Graph of number of atoms or molecule at given velocity against velocity is called Maxwell's equation. It is found that at lower temperature velocity is low. So very low velocity wala molecule, very large velocity wala molecule in the same gas will be always very light. The graph is found to be like that means from some, like suppose we say population, maximum population may be between 20 to 40. Less than 20 कम है, more than 40 भी कम है, और 20 to 60 लिया, 80 के बाद तो बहुत कम लोग रहे, and 5 year के पहले बहुत कम रहे. So same way, very small it's very less number of molecule, very large is also very number of less molecule. So graphical representation of number of molecule of gas against velocity is called Maxwell distribution. Area under graph between velocity v and v plus dv. That means this is interval dv. So multiplying by this number of molecules in range of v and v plus dv is nothing but nv into dv. So sometimes very simple question they can ask how many molecules are present in the range of dv. So dv is so small that this is almost constant. So from the graph you will find this nv multiply with dv, that will give you number of molecules. That is called Maxwell distribution. अभी तक खाली JEE मेन में पूछा ये, बट ग्राफ देके सिंपल क्वेश्चन देके ना इससे मैंने कर दिया. Now we can complete our remaining sum of Ktg. Once that is completed, we'll start with thermodynamics. come to some number 43. Till 42 we have done, I guess.
Yes.
40. A monoatomic gas expands at constant pressure on heating. Percentage of heat supplied that will increase internal energy and involved in expansion of gas. Expansion is work done. Gas is heated at constant pressure, monatomic gas. For monoatomic gas, we know gamma is pi by 3. This means Cp upon Cv is pi by 3. Cp means internal energy plus work done, and Cv is only internal energy. So I have done one shortcut. This I arrange always gamma in terms of numerator, denominator plus something. So we can say this is U plus W upon U is 3 plus 2 upon 3. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Total is 5. Out of that, what is 3? Internal energy. So percentage change in internal energy is total 5 में से 3 percentage into 100. Percentage of work done, this will be always 2, total may vary, out of 5 into 100. So can I say this will be 5 into 20, that is 60%, and this will be 5 into 20, that is 40%. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So whenever they ask what is work done is always from total only 2 times. Left out is from total internal. Multiply by 100 will give you percentage, but that is possible if you know gamma for that gas. They may ask you mono, di can be rigid, non-rigid. Just remember 5 by 3, 7 by 5, 9 by 7 are their gamma. That's the answer. Okay. Hello, Andrea?
Yes, sir.
On giving equal amount of heat at constant volume, equal amount of heat at constant volume to 1 mole of monatomic gas and diatomic. At constant volume, one is mono, other is di. Then rise in temperature is same in both or more in mono or more in di that we have to calculate. If heated at constant volume, then for 1 mole, it is CV dt for monoatomic gas. This will be CV dt of diatomic gas. CV for mono, is it 3 by 2R? CV for mono, is it 3 by 2R? Hello? Hello? CV for mono, is it 3 by 2R?
Yes, sir.
And for di, it is 5 by 2R. Both sides R by 2 cancel. So change in temperature of monatomic is 5 by 3, change in diatomic. So change in temperature of mono is greater than change in temperature of di. Check. Mono is greater than di है क्या option?
Option A.
A. More for mono.
Done, sir.
Next, sum number 45. This is question of latent heat. Have you heard about latent heat? What is latent heat? Latent heat, the amount of heat absorbed by unit mass of substance to change its state is called as latent heat. The amount of heat absorbed by unit mass of substance to change its state at constant temperature is called as latent heat. So let M be the mass of substance changing its state. L is heat for unit mass, then total heat will be ml. Therefore, L is Q by M. Its SI unit is joule per kg or calories per gram or kilocalories per kg. What will be dimension? Can you tell dimension? M0, L2, 1 minute. Hello? Hello? हाँ हाँ कौन सा सर अरुण सर हाँ हाँ तो आने दो ना, पेरेंट्स आने वाले हैं, तो मुझसे तो बात तो किया नहीं उन्होंने। हाँ तो लेकिन मैं ऑफिस में किधर है, तो ठीक है फोन लगा देना ना। अरे यार आप फोन लगाना ना, क्या बात कर रहे हो? क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, सुन रहे क्या पहले? आएंगे तभी फोन करना ना यार, क्यों परेशान कर दो, समझ में नहीं आता है कि आपको एक बार चीज बोला तो। आएंगे तो फोन करना ना, और क्या कर सकते हो ना। Energy is M1. See, directly I am writing M1 L2 T minus 2 upon M1 will become M0 L2 T minus 2. Any doubt in this latent heat wala part?
No, sir.
Just copy this much. No, there is no number at it. One minute. The phone banking, there are some numbers. Okay.
Done, sir.
See now there are, what is this latent heat is utilized for? Latent heat is used to first increase the intermolecular distances so that molecules will be free and then they change the state. And when they are changing the state, atmospheric pressure will not allow them to move, so they have to do work. So there are two types of latent heat. One is called internal latent heat. Internal latent heat, which we cannot see. Other is external latent heat, which we can measure. So whenever it is latent heat, then I will first find external latent heat, then subtract it from total latent heat. Internal latent heat, the part of latent heat utilized to increase intermolecular distance is called as internal latent heat. Intermolecular distances, internal latent heat is denoted by Li. External, the part of latent heat utilized to perform work. Part of latent heat is utilized to perform work during expansion against external atmospheric pressure is called as external latent heat. It is given by Le, is work done for unit mass. Work done is P into change in volume during expansion upon M. Now total latent heat is always internal plus external. Capital is internal definition, external, then total is Li plus Le. आंसर भी कहेगा भैया, तो डेट डालो ना उसमें, समझेगा कि सब इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक कैसे समझेगा? इतना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पेपर हो रहा है, डेट नहीं रहेगा, टॉपिक नहीं रहेगा, कैसे समझेगा बाद में मिक्स हुआ तो? डेट डाल के भेजो उसमें, थोड़ा तो दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो ना कि आदमी अगर एक ही साथ मिक्स हुआ तो कैसे करेगा। और दूसरा भी टेस्ट पेपर बनाओ उसका, और पेरेंट्स आए तो मुझे तुरंत फोन कर दो। Appreciate this also?
Yes, sir.
See, all the substance they expand on heating. Every substance expands. Yes, all the substance they expand on heating. All the substance they expand on heating.
Yes, sir.
All expands on heating. कौन बोल रहा है yes sir? तो फिर anomalous behavior क्यों पढ़ा था हम लोग? हेलो आर्यन?
Yes, I got it. Water का anomalous behavior.
हाँ, तो ऐसे लेड के पास भी है, तो those substance which contracts, मतलब expand नहीं होते, which contracts on heating, तो उसका तो external latent heat will be negative ना? हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
L is Li plus Le. If Le is positive, then L is greater than Le. अब ये L equals to Li minus Le हो गया, तो Le will become L I plus, suppose it is Li plus of minus Le, that means it will be Li minus Le, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So every time L is not greater than Le, sometimes it will be smaller than Le also, because it is Li minus Le. अब यहाँ पे इतना अदरक को तो बेचारा, those substance which contracts on heating, Le is negative. So if L is Li plus Le and Le is positive, then I can say L is greater than Le or L is greater than Le. ठीक है? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In this case, see, this is minus. So Li minus L will be L. Write both the cases like this. latent heat of vaporization is 540 calories per gram and latent heat of fusion is 80 calories per gram. This to remember for ice and steam.
Done, sir.
Now come to that our PDF. Some number 44. Latent heat of vaporization. What is latent heat of vaporization? Hello? Hello? अपने इधर ठीक है चलेगा ठीक है ओके ठीक है See, latent heat of vaporization of substance is always greater than latent heat of fusion. Okay, just now I gave you that answer. Vaporization was 540 and fusion was 80, so vaporization is always greater. 46. Amount of heat absorbed by unit mass of substance during the change of state without changing temperature is called as what? Hello?
Latent heat.
Latent heat. 47 important. 1 gram of water having volume of 1 centimeter cube on vaporization at atmospheric pressure forms steam of 1671 centimeter cube. Latent heat of vaporization is 540 calories per gram. Then increase in internal energy means Li will be how much? See, for water it is fixed. It is 50. 540. Latent heat of vaporization. See, external Le for water, always it is fixed, is 40 calories per gram. तो अगर कैलकुलेट याद रहेगा तो डायरेक्ट कर देना 540 minus 40 500 will be Li, but I am showing you by calculation because Li I cannot measure, Le I can. Formula I told it is PdV. dV. Mass is 1 gram, so per unit mass. What is pressure in CGS? In SI I know 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Newton. How to convert into dyne? This is Newton per meter square. So 10 raised to 5 dyne upon 10 raised to 4 becomes in CGS unit now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
And change in volume is 1671 minus 1. Divide by mass 1. See, this is in calorie, but work done is in joule. So I will divide this by J. J is nothing but 4.2. Are you knowing this? 4.2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
4.2 calories 1 joule. So I have divided to convert into calories. This becomes now calories per gram. Now simplifying this. 1.013 into 10 raised to 6. 5 and 4, 10, 10 raised to 6 it becomes. This much Newton, 1 Newton is 10 raised to 5, meter square is 10 raised to 4 into 1671 minus 1, 70 upon 4.2. This is in terms of CGS, not in joule. ये joule नहीं था, ये erg में कर दिया ना मैंने. So to, if you divide, see this is converted into erg, correct? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Conversion you followed. I converted already in CGS. 4.2 तो joule के लिए है ना? See 1 joule work upon joule is heat. So work is in joule. Divide by J is 4.2 joule per calorie होता है. तो ये joule cancel होके आपको calorie में unit मिला. But first वाला joule नहीं था. First वाला I have converted in CGS. So I am leaving in SI and then at the end will convert. Otherwise you have to convert that as 4.2 into 10 raised to 7. अगर वो click होता है तो भी चलेगा. So first all in SI and then I will show you the conversion. I will not calculate in exam because I know this value. Now pressure is 1.013 into 10 raised to 5. dV is 1671 minus 1 into meter में 10 raised to minus 6. Mass 1 gram is 10 raised to minus 3 into 4.2. This all is in joule. This is in joule. So final answer will come in calorie. This equals 1.013 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to 3 into 1670 upon 4.2. 10 raised to minus 6 into 4.2 joule per calories. So this is calorie per kg. .2 and this is roughly 400 equal to 1600. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you are getting 400 into 10 raised to how much? 2. Divide by 10 raised to 3 becomes gram. So how much we get? 40 or not? How much we got LE? 40 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what is total latent heat for vaporization? 540. So since L is Li plus Le, so Li will be L minus Le, which is 540 minus 40 equals to 500. This is the answer. But as I said, if it is given for steam 1 gram, I will never do that calculation because this value I have retained in my mind. Complete now. 47th.
Done, sir.
48. The equation PV equal to RP. In this, V stands for volume of which amount of gas? So can I say V is for 1 mole of gas here? Because N is not given means N is 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
one mole means what? Given weight upon molecular weight. Hello?
Yes, sir.
This weight, it is fixed for every substance or it is different for different substance? If I take oxygen, this will be 32 gram. If I take hydrogen, it will be 2 gram. So can I say V is for any mass of gas? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, 1 mole का मतलब depending upon molecular weight वो mass change होता है ना? So it can be any amount of gas. Yeah. Very common mistake, people will write 1 gram. 49. At pressure P, temperature T, mass m of ideal gas is filled with volume P. Pressure P, temperature P, mass of gas m, volume P. Additional mass 2m, an extra is 4. For same gas into the container, volume reduces to V by 3, temperature T by 3. Then what is pressure? मतलब नया प्रेशर पूछा। जब भी आपको बोला गैस रिलेटेड कुछ आया, you please start with PVs and RP. That means P into volume V given weight upon molecular weight into RP. For same gas, molecular weight will get cancelled. So P1 V1 upon P2 V2 equals to M1 upon M2 into P1 by P2. First pressure is P, second pressure you want. First volume is V, second volume is V by 3. First mass is M, second mass is M plus 2M. First temperature T, second temperature T by 3. So this TT cancel, this VV cancel. 3 will go up. 3 times P upon P2 is equal to M upon 3M. This 3 will go up. MM cancel. 3 from both sides cancel. So new pressure is 3 times original. That is 3P objects.
Sir, question 48 का आंसर should be C ना?
48 का आंसर any amount of gas. A लिखा है ना A.
Sir, but 1 gram molecule is 1 mole only.
1 gram molecule is not 1 mole. 1 gram molecule is nothing but 1 gram. 1 mole is molecular weight of gas. 1 gram of molecule is not 1 molecular weight. It's different. 1 gram molecule means 1 gram. Bus. So 1 gram molecule of gas मतलब molecule of gas which is 1 gram. ये meaning है ना. Yes, completed. 49th.
Yes, sir.
50th. A cylinder contains 2 kg of gas at at a pressure of 10 Pascal. If 2 more kg is pumped, so 2 plus 2 is new mass. Keeping temperature constant, what will be the pressure now? See, a cylinder, उसके अंदर पहला 2 kg बाद में 4 kg, तो सिलेंडर तो फिक्स है ना, पूरा वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट रहेगा. So PV is given weight upon molecular weight into RT. First pressure upon second pressure, volume same cancel, mass M1 upon M2, temperature same cancel, R constant. Same gas molecular weight cancel. So 10 upon new pressure is 2 upon 4. Therefore new pressure equals to 20 Pascal. Actually 10 raised to 5. So it will be 2 into 10 raised to 5. Option B. 2 into 10 raised to 5.
Done, sir.
51. Internal energy of perfect gas does not changes during. Internal energy will change if temperature changes. So it will not change during isothermal process. B option. Internal energy will not change during isothermal process. 52. A vessel has 6 grams of oxygen at pressure B and temperature of 400 Kelvin. A small hole is made in the vessel so that oxygen leaks out. How much oxygen will leak out? That is change in mass V1. If final pressure is P by 2 and temperature is 300 Kelvin. So again same history. PV is given weight upon molecular weight into RT. P1 upon P2 is M1 upon M2, P1 upon P2. P upon P by 2 is 6 upon M2, 400 upon 300. 3 into 2 is 6, P3 cancel, this 2 goes up. 2 upon 1 is 8 upon M2. Therefore, M2 is 4 grams. So, mass leaked is first mass minus second mass. 6 minus 4, 2 gram. Mass leaked is 2 gram option. After this, till 58, you all try. All are based on chemistry only, very simple sum. Tomorrow we'll discuss the answers of this. Because some of you have lecture now at 1 o'clock. I have told any test on Wednesday? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Which test?
Fluid mechanics.
1 to 40, खाली उसमें से ही 20 questions. So after the lecture, I will send the paper. This one over?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This week थोड़ा मेहनत करो ज़्यादा because even along with test on coming Monday, entire part 2 test is